Hello guys, so today we will perform a program on Python. So the objective of the program is that we have to write a program to prompt the user for hours and rate per hour. So we have to ask a user number of hours and the rate per hour, and using input to compute gross pay. So we have to calculate the amount as rate per hour, and we are given that we must use 35 hours as input and a rate of 2.75 per hour to test the program. So first of all, we need to give an input and ask the user input, and we can also store this value in a variable. Enter number of hours or anything you want, you can give in a command. Then hours will be stored in the variable hrs, and now we will ask for the rate. So input and uh, enter rate per hour, and then we have a simple formula to calculate the total amount, that just we have to multiply the hours and rate. So rt is the rate, and in question if you see, it is given that you should use input to read a string that we have already used, and also we have to convert that string into a float. So float function we need to use to convert the string to a number. Means the number of hours will be stored in hrs variable that will be in string type, so we have to convert that in a float. So here we will use a function float, and rt also in float. So now we print our final result, that is print the total amount that we really need to pay, and amt. So now we will go and check the code. So as we have already given the input 35 and rate is 2.75, mismatch. Why? Because maybe there is a space, that's it, otherwise our program is correct only. How many hours? 35. Okay, and the rate is 2.75. So you can see that our program is correct. I hope you liked it and have a great day ahead.